Are you troubled by thinning hair? Do you see more strands on your pillow or in the shower drain? I know this can be a source of deep concern for so many of you. You're looking for solutions that are safe, effective, and perhaps even hiding in plain sight. Many of you write to me on my show, asking for natural ways to bring back your hair's vitality. You want hope, and you want results that you can trust. Well, today I am thrilled to share something truly special with you, a remedy that is both ancient and incredibly powerful. The answer I am talking about might surprise you. It is not some expensive lab-created formula. It is humble, it is natural, and it is likely sitting in your kitchen pantry right now. I'm talking about the incredible power of onion juice. Yes, simple onion juice. For centuries, cultures around the world have turned to this potent vegetable for its amazing healing properties, including its remarkable ability to stimulate hair growth. On my show, we always explore how nature provides us with powerful tools for our health, and this is a perfect example. You might be wondering, can something so simple truly work for hair loss? My answer is a resounding yes. We often overlook the profound wisdom held in traditional remedies. Nature has equipped everyday ingredients with extraordinary compounds. The onion is a powerhouse of nutrients that can nourish your scalp and awaken dormant hair follicles. It's about understanding this natural magic and harnessing it correctly. Forget harsh chemicals and costly procedures for a moment. Let's explore what this kitchen staple can do for your crowning glory. It's time to believe in the power within your reach. In this article, I am going to walk you through everything you need to know. We will dive into the science behind why onion juice is so effective for hair growth. I will share a very simple recipe so you can make your own fresh onion juice at home. We will also discuss how to apply it correctly for the best possible results. And for those of you looking to supercharge this treatment, I have some fantastic tips on additional ingredients. Get ready to unlock the secret to healthier, fuller hair, the natural way. This journey is exciting, and I'm here to guide you every step. So, what makes onion juice such a fantastic ally in your fight against hair loss? The secret lies in its rich chemical composition, packed with compounds that your hair absolutely loves. First and foremost, onions are incredibly high in dietary sulfur. Sulfur is often called the beauty mineral, and for good reason. It is a crucial building block for keratin, the very protein that makes up your hair strands. More sulfur means stronger hair structure and can encourage new growth. This element also helps promote collagen production, which is vital for healthy skin, including your scalp where hair follicles reside. Next up, we have a powerful antioxidant found in onions called quercetin. This flavonoid is a true hero for your scalp. Quercetin has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation in the scalp can damage hair follicles and hinder hair growth, so reducing it is key. Quercetin helps to combat oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can also contribute to hair aging and loss. By protecting your scalp cells and follicles from damage, quercetin creates a healthier environment for hair to thrive. Think of it as a shield, guarding your hair's foundation. Beyond sulfur and quercetin, onion juice boasts impressive antimicrobial properties. This means it can help fight off bacteria and fungi that might be living on your scalp. Scalp infections, dandruff, and other irritations can significantly impede hair growth and lead to increased shedding. By keeping your scalp clean and free from these unwanted guests, onion juice ensures that your hair follicles are not obstructed or inflamed. A healthy, clean scalp is the fertile ground your hair needs to grow strong and full. This is a fundamental step many people overlook in their hair care routine. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds good, but is there scientific proof? Absolutely. Several studies have explored the benefits of onion juice for hair regrowth. For instance, a clinical trial published in the Journal of Dermatology specifically looked at using onion juice for alopecia areata, an autoimmune condition causing patchy hair loss. The results were very encouraging. Participants who applied onion juice twice daily experienced significantly more hair regrowth compared to those who used tap water. This provides valuable evidence that this home remedy has real, observable benefits. Science is backing up what traditional wisdom has known for ages. Ready to try this amazing natural remedy? Making your own onion juice at home is incredibly simple. You don't need any fancy equipment or hard-to-find ingredients. All you need are a few fresh onions. About 1 to 2 medium-sized ones should be enough for a single application. You will also need a blender or a grater, and a piece of cheesecloth or a fine sieve to strain the juice. The beauty of this treatment lies in its simplicity and freshness. You are using a pure, unadulterated natural product directly on your scalp for maximum benefit. Here is your step-by-step guide to preparing the magic potion. First, peel your onions and chop them into small pieces. This makes it easier for your blender to process them. If you don't have a blender, you can finely grate the onions. Next, put the chopped or grated onions into your blender and blend them into a smooth pulp. If needed, you can add a tiny splash of water to help the blending process, but try to use as little as possible. Once you have a paste, take your cheesecloth or fine sieve, place it over a clean bowl, and pour the onion pulp into it. Squeeze firmly to extract all the precious juice. Now that you have your fresh onion juice, it is time to apply it. For best results, apply the juice directly to your scalp. You can part your hair into sections and use a cotton ball, a dropper, or even your fingertips to dab the juice onto your scalp. Focus on the roots and any areas where you are experiencing thinning. Once your scalp is covered, gently massage it for about 5 to 10 minutes. This massage helps to stimulate blood circulation, which further enhances the absorption of the nutrients and boosts hair growth. Leave the juice on for at least 30 minutes, or even up to an hour if you can. Regarding frequency, you can start by applying onion juice 2 to 3 times a week. Consistency is key here. Don't expect overnight miracles. Natural remedies work with your body's rhythms. You might start noticing improvements in a few weeks or a couple of months. Yes, there's the smell. Onions have a strong odor. You can rinse your hair thoroughly with a mild shampoo after the treatment. Adding a few drops of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar to your final rinse water can also help neutralize the smell. Patience and persistence will reward you with healthier, happier hair. Section 4. Boost your results. Supercharging your onion juice hair treatment. While onion juice on its own is a fantastic hair growth promoter, you can elevate its benefits even further. For those of you who love to take things to the next level, I have some exciting upgrades. These additions can work synergistically with the onion juice, enhancing its potency and providing even more nourishment to your scalp and hair follicles. Think of it as giving your hair treatment a super boost, naturally. These are simple tweaks that can make a significant difference in your journey towards thicker, stronger hair. Let's explore a couple of my favorite enhancements. First up, let's talk about Rosemary Essential Oil. This aromatic oil is another champion in the world of natural hair care. Rosemary oil is well known for its ability to stimulate blood circulation in the scalp. Improved circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your hair follicles, encouraging them to grow. It also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, similar to quercetin in onions. To use it, simply add a few drops, say 3 to 5 drops of high-quality rosemary essential oil to your freshly prepared onion juice before applying it to your scalp. Mix it well, and you have an even more powerful hair growth elixir. Another fantastic way to upgrade your treatment is by using fermented onion juice. The process of fermentation can unlock even more nutrients and make them more bioavailable. Fermentation can also increase the concentration of beneficial compounds and potentially reduce the strong odor of raw onion juice, which is a big plus for many people. The probiotics created during fermentation can also contribute to a healthier scalp microbiome. This ancient technique is making a big comeback in health and wellness, and your hair can benefit too. It's like giving your scalp a dose of superfood. Making fermented onion juice is also quite straightforward. Extract your onion juice as usual, then pour it into a clean glass jar, leaving some space at the top. You can add a teaspoon of a natural starter culture like whey from yogurt, or simply let wild fermentation happen by covering the jar with a breathable cloth and leaving it at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours. You'll know it's ready when it starts to look a bit cloudy and has a slightly tangy smell. Store it in the fridge and use it just like regular onion juice. This potent version can offer an enhanced experience and even better results over time. So give these upgrades a try. Section 5. Beyond the Juice Holistic Hair. Health in your journey to luscious locks. Applying onion juice is a wonderful step towards healthier hair, but for truly transformative results, we need to look at the bigger picture. Holistic hair health means supporting your body from the inside out as well as treating it topically. Your hair is a reflection of your overall well-being. Think of your body as a garden. For beautiful flowers to bloom, the soil needs to be rich and well-tended. Similarly, for your hair to flourish, your internal health needs to be optimal. So, let's explore a few more tips to complement your onion juice treatments and support your hair's vitality. One crucial nutrient that often gets overlooked in hair health is vitamin D3. Many people are deficient in this sunshine vitamin, and it plays a vital role in hair follicle cycling, the process of hair growth, rest, and shedding. Studies have shown a link between low vitamin D levels and hair loss conditions like alopecia areata. Ensure you are getting enough vitamin D by spending some safe time in the sun, or considering a high-quality supplement, especially during darker months. Always consult your doctor to check your levels and discuss appropriate supplementation. This simple step can make a big difference to your hair's growth cycle. Of course, we cannot talk about healthy hair without emphasizing the importance of proper nutrition. Your hair is primarily made of protein, so ensure your diet includes enough high-quality protein sources like lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and lentils. Iron is also critical, as iron deficiency is a common cause of hair shedding. Include iron-rich foods like spinach, red meat, and lentils. Zinc is another mineral essential for hair tissue growth and repair. You can find zinc in foods like oysters, nuts, and seeds. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats provides the building blocks your body needs for strong, vibrant hair. So, there you have it. Nature's secret to unlocking hair growth right from your kitchen. I encourage you to try this simple yet powerful onion juice remedy. Be patient, be consistent, and combine it with these holistic health tips. Your journey to healthier, fuller hair is an empowering one. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. I love hearing your success stories. Take this knowledge, put it into action, and watch your hair transform. Remember, you have the power to take control of your health and beauty naturally. Start today.